Hi friends, this is 5 Mustak YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how we can increase or decrease ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on sounds and vibration. Here, select volume. First option is ringtone volume. If you want to increase ringtone volume, just move this position to the right side. If you want to decrease, just move this position to the left side. Now I move it to the right side. Volume is increased. If you want to decrease, just move it to the left side. Leftmost is just vibration. If you just open up, then only it will have at least low volume. Then media sound. In a similar way, you can use it for the media sound. Moving right side will increase the volume. Moving left side will decrease the volume. Similarly, for the notification, you can decrease or increase volume like this. You can mute also. If you completely decrease, it will be muted. See here. In the similar way, system sounds. Now it is completely muted and it is high. So in this way, you can easily adjust ringtone volumes and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy M33 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.